Welcome to one of the world's most advanced banana stem processing factories. Massive banana trunks arrive on automated conveyor systems, where robotic machines begin the cleaning and fiber extraction process.
Each banana stem is thoroughly washed using high-pressure industrial spray systems to remove dirt and prepare the fibers for extraction.
Advanced extraction machines separate natural fibers from the banana stem with incredible speed and precision.
Automated conveyor systems transport the massive banana stems through every stage of the production process.
Robotic cutting systems precisely trim the banana stems before they move into the next processing section.
The extracted fibers are carefully dried inside temperature-controlled industrial chambers.
After processing, the natural fibers are compressed and packed for global export.
This smart factory combines automation and innovation to produce eco-friendly banana fibers at an incredible scale.
Banana stem waste is transformed into sustainable natural fiber products used around the world. Powerful industrial rollers process the fibers smoothly while maintaining their natural strength. Finished fibers are stored inside massive warehouses before shipment to international markets. These natural fibers are exported globally for use in textiles, paper, ropes, and eco-friendly products. Highly trained workers supervise every stage of the production process using advanced monitoring systems.
Specialized cleaning systems ensure the extracted fibers remain pure and ready for industrial use.
AI-powered automation allows the factory to operate with maximum speed and efficiency. Huge industrial blades cut through giant banana stems in seconds.
Within minutes, raw banana stems are transformed into soft and durable natural fibers. The factory operates day and night to meet the growing global demand for sustainable materials. These high-quality banana fibers are used in fashion, packaging, and sustainable manufacturing industries. Inside the world's largest high-tech banana stem factory, a futuristic process you've probably never seen before.